Hello and welcome back to Teach Me in 2. In this short video we're going to look at how we can make answering questions slightly easier for younger students in Google Docs. One of the problems with Google Docs when setting out a series of questions is often pupils look for a space in where to input their answer, which we might have traditionally used a line such as this. Now, Google Docs recognizes those lines as characters, so unless a pupil double taps and types their answer, the line will space in this fashion because it recognizes the line and the letters both as characters, which is problematic for pupils who are struggling to know where to write their answer. So a little method in which we can get away around that is what we want to do is we want to insert a table. So we can insert a table that is 2 rows by 1 or 2 columns and 1 row. Once we've inserted that, we want to highlight our question, or you can input the questions directly into the table. Since I've already got my question there, I'm just going to pop it in. And what we want to do is we want to reduce that so that we've got a nice space. Then what we want to do is we want to right click and we want to go down to table properties, and within the table properties we want to go to color and we want to change the table border to 0. Okay, you can see if you highlight it that the table still exists, it still recognizes the table is there, but what we want to do is we want to try and select one of the lines, this line in particular, and what we want to do is we want to increase that border color just of that line to 1. That will change it to that solid line again, but what we can also do is we can also change it to a dotted line. And what you'll notice is that if pupils then now try to type their name into the space provided, the line will not disappear. You can continue that. You can make, if you have 5 questions, you can make 5 rows and put your questions in and do the same for each line. So nice and easy, simple way to make it easier for pupils to answer questions within Google Docs. I hope that was useful. That was Teach Me in 2.